Welcome back, nature enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you as we delve into the animal kingdom's extreme ends of speed. Join me as we explore the fastest and slowest creatures on Earth. From lightning-fast cheetahs to leisurely sloths, we'll uncover some fascinating facts about the animal, bird, fish, and reptile world. Let's get started. Our first category is the fastest animal. When it comes to sheer speed, one creature stands out above the rest: the cheetah. With acceleration that would put even the swiftest sports cars to shame, the cheetah can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour, in just a few seconds. These magnificent big cats use their long, slender bodies and specialized leg muscles to achieve incredible bursts of speed while hunting their prey across the African savanna. With their streamlined physique and flexible spines, cheetahs are built for explosive acceleration. They can maintain their top speed for short distances, covering about 20 to 30 meters, 65 to 98 feet, in a single stride. It's truly a remarkable feat of nature. Moving on to the skies, the title of the fastest bird goes to the peregrine falcon. These aerial predators are known for their incredible hunting prowess. When diving to catch their prey, peregrine falcons can reach astonishing speeds of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. To achieve such remarkable velocities, peregrine falcons fold their wings and enter a specialized hunting posture called a stoop. During this breathtaking dive, they tuck their wings close to their body and plummet toward their target with pinpoint accuracy. It's a breathtaking sight to behold. Now let's dive into the underwater world, where the sailfish claims the title of the fastest fish. These magnificent creatures can swim at speeds of up to 68 miles per hour, 110 kilometers per hour. With their elongated bills and sail-like dorsal fins, sailfish can swiftly move through the ocean, making them highly efficient hunters. Sailfish are built for speed. Their long, slender bodies and crescent-shaped tails provide excellent propulsion, allowing them to chase down schools of prey with remarkable agility. Witnessing a sailfish in action is truly a testament to the marvels of marine life. Now, let's shift gears and explore the other end of the spectrum: the slowest creatures on Earth. Taking the title of the slowest animal is none other than the sloth. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, sloths are renowned for their leisurely lifestyle. These tree-dwelling mammals move at a sluggish pace of around 0.15 miles per hour, 0.24 kilometers per hour. Talk about taking life at a relaxed pace. In the avian world, the wandering albatross claims the title of the slowest bird. These majestic seabirds have impressive wingspans, but their flights can be remarkably leisurely. With wingspans of up to 11 feet, 3.4 meters, wandering albatrosses gracefully glide through the air, often reaching speeds as slow as 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour. Among fish, the goldfish stands out as one of the slowest swimmers. While they can adapt their swimming speed to their environment, goldfish typically cruise at a leisurely pace of 1 to 2 miles per hour, 1.6 to 3.2 kilometers per hour, in their watery habitats. Lastly, in the reptile category, the title of the slowest reptile goes to the tortoise. These land-dwelling creatures have a reputation for their unhurried gait. The giant tortoise, for instance, can amble along at a pace of around 0.2 miles per hour, 0.3 kilometers per hour, making them the embodiment of patience and steady determination. And there you have it, our exploration of the fastest and slowest animals, birds, fish, and reptiles in the world. From the cheetah's lightning speed to the sloth's slow motion lifestyle. Nature never ceases to amaze us with its diverse array of creatures. Join us next time as we uncover more fascinating facts about the wonders of our planet's biodiversity. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.